Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to analyze the Jubilant Food Works chart. Okay, so we will try to analyze the long-term chart in the monthly chart, how it is behaved. So on the fundamental side, you know like what Jubilant Food Works is doing, right? So it is a franchise for that Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts, and after that now they newly started that Popeyes as well. Okay, so now coming to the technical part. So on the monthly chart, first we will see how the stock is behaved in the longer run. Okay, so here if it is started around the 2010 with that 15 around 15, and after that this is after split, I think. Okay, and this is 15, and after that again the low it's made around 80, and after that now it is around that 400 level. So on that, longer term, if the stock is going on the upper side on the resistance wise also, previously it come to 134 and now it's around the 900 level. Okay, so let me go through the structure how it is behaved. So from the starting it gone up, and again some correction, again it gone up, and some big corrections, and again it gone up and sideways, and again gone up, and now it came to some corrections. So this is the path. Still we can see it is making the higher low and higher high. So the stock, we can say it is in still uptrend. Okay, this is on structure wise, and now it comes to the upward increase under the downward correction as well. Okay, so if you see, majorly it is given. Okay, from the down it it gave the 100 percentage on the upper side, and again if you take the downside, so happened around major correction only I am taking. Okay, around 60% it took, and after that from here again if you take in the upward direction, so it's around again 1000% it gave, and now near after coming down it's around 55% it correction happened. So previously it's around 60%, now it is 50%, maybe 55%. So maybe it can come to little bit down, and it can come to that 60% as well. So that we will wait and see. And this is on the major side, upper upside and the downside. And what about the in between, right? So we can see this correction how much it's happened. So we can see this is around 30%, and this one is around again 33. This fall correction around 35, and this fall around 40%. I think this is on corona. Okay, so normally stock can go down as a 40%. So 35 to 40% the correction can happen. So no need to worry when stock corrects around the 20 or 25%. This is the stock behavior. Like normally it's corrects to 35 to 40%, and a big correction is happening around the 60%, and upper side it is provided 1000% as of now, based on the history of the chart we are seeing. Okay, this is on the upper side and the downer side. Now we will go for the price action. Okay, so we will try to take the line, and we will try to draw the resistance. Okay, from here top if you connect these lines, so you are getting this resistance line. Okay, on the downside also, clearly we are having this point, and here this point as well. So if you connect here, on the resistance or the support side, it is nearly it is coming to that support point. Okay, based on this. And now if we take out this support line, we will try to, so now we can see clearly this resistance points. But if you take the support here, and here only 2 points are available, and here this in between, or we are missing this one. Okay, we should not miss these points, why it is taken the support here. Okay, so now we will try to draw the channel one. So we'll take the resistance at the base one. Okay, we'll try to match this, and we'll draw this. Okay, now is almost around is, now we know that why it's taken the support here. Okay, and again it's within the channel, it is going up. Now what we will do, we will remove this resistance. Okay, it is maybe the stock is previously behaved within this channel. Okay, okay, fine, I think this is working good. So it went up, took the resistance, came down little bit, and took the resistance, came down, and went into this channel, upper channel, and here support, resistance. The middle channel is broken, and it came to lower channel support, and again it went to upper channel, and it began gone for the sideways, and again it went up. So now this resistance point is like island, right? So now we will do again one more channel. We will try to draw this. Okay, now clearly we can see that it taken the resistance here and it came down. Okay, so I think now channel is clearly working for this Jubilant Foodworks. So as of now we will try to remove this one. It's broken up, then we may put the another channel and see. So now after it's broken up, it came down, take the resistance here, it is trying to go inside sideways or in this region. So now we are having this upper side channel region, the stock is going inside that. Okay, this is on the channel wise. Now we will go for the support Ichimoku chart, sorry, Ichimoku indicator, and we'll see how it is behaved. So normally we will take the baseline only one, right? This one will work for the most of the upward charts. So we are taking that one, and clearly we can see. Just we'll remove this. Okay. So first off, so if you are taking this from here to here, first off it is not worked, but after that if you see on that once it is broken here, it was working fine. Okay, so it's taking the support on this baseline, and once this is broken, it is taking the resistance also. Now clearly we can see that this baseline is working for this Jubilant Foodworks chart as well. So we don't want to put many indicators here, so we will stop this one. Now we will go for the RSI. Let's see how RSI it's behaved. So on the lower side around 40, correct, around 40 it's taking the support and it is going up. On the upper side around 82 or 80 region, it's taking the resistance and it is coming down. So if I put the channel again here, we can clearly see that. So when it taken the resistance here, it's around 80, and after that it came down, but the stock went up. And again, when it comes to 80, this point acted as a resistance, and the stock went to 900. Sorry, around correct, around 900, and it came down. So this 80 point is the kind of a strong resistance we can say. Okay, here also if you see around 80, it went to up, and after that it may went to around 85% correction. Okay, so when it's coming to near to 40, it is always trying to go up. From here it went up, and here also we can see that from 400 to around 560 it went up in this region. So we can fix for Jubilant Works, it's around 80 is kind of a resistance one. Whenever it's coming down, we need to be careful, and around 40, the stock is kind of acting as a support and it's trying to go up. Okay, this is on that RSI chart. And now we will go for that weekly one. So let me put into, this is on monthly only. Okay, fine. Now we'll go for weekly chart, and we will find the short-term support and resistance. So here we can clearly see that it's coming as a downtrend. See lower low, lower high, again little bit lower low and lower high, and now it is around previous low it is mentioned. So it was still like a downtrend only on the weekly chart. Okay, now we will try to find that near-term support. So previous support, if you see, if we take a near these two one, and if you enlarge it, it's coming like this. Okay, so the previous support it was here, and it's trying to take here, and resistant part also, if you connect these two line, it's acting as a resistance here. So it may be forming as a triangle one, if based on that breakdown or break up, based on that we can predict where the stock is going to, and based on this channel pattern also we will find the targets. Okay, apart from that, in the long term, if you see here we are having some 3 points. Let's try to connect this as well. Okay, So if you just connect, lower point of this supports points around, it's coming like this, correct? So I'll put only a weekly points. Okay, day chart we no need to go, right? However, we are going to look for the long term. So if you go to day chart, it will give again the many patterns, and everything will be in the short term. So we will mostly concentrate on the weekly chart and monthly chart. Even if you want, it's kind of a big chart, means we'll go on the quarterly chart as well. Okay, so we are seeing again it is near to support, either it is in this horizontal one or it is in the slant support one. It may try to come here, and once taken the support here, and it may go up or it may go down as well. Okay, so based on that actions happened here, then we may see about how it going up and how much the target it is coming. Okay, so this is on that weekly chart. And monthly chart again, so if you put on the high Fibonacci level, so whenever it is turned into green, it is giving some good amount of upside, right? Again here also upside, and when it is coming down, clearly when it is red, and clearly it is showing that it is coming down. So here we are having some upside as well, means the return once it is turned into green, it's okay, the stock is giving the return is little bit high. Okay, and if you put on the quarterly chart, clearly we can see that when it is starting around this 2000 April 2010, the turn it's green into that April 2013. So that much return is provided when it is green, and again this part as well. It's not giving any confusion, right? When it's going into that candle chart, it is giving many confusion, red and green. It's changing and is giving confusion. But when it's go to this Fibonacci, you will get that clear indication where it's going up or down. Again, this Fibonacci, it may not work in the sideways, but we will see either in the upward or downward how it is behaving. So maybe for stop loss also you can keep this quarterly chart, quarterly chart high Fibonacci level. So when it is broken the previous one, it may try to come out. So after that it is following this quarterly chart as well correctly. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for this Jubilant Food Works, sir. Thank you for watching, and we will see in the next video some other different charts. Thank you.